welcome back to my channel. Today I have my monthly Feel Unique pick and mix service. So this video is super late and I'll explain why. So if you're new, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe if you like my videos. Put the bell on if you want. And then every time I upload, because I upload really regularly because of work and stuff, you'll get like a notification to your phone or your computer saying that I've uploaded. I have a video in mind. It's how I've gone completely cotton wool free. I'm not sure if you guys want to see that, whether you are into eco-friendly stuff, so drop a comment down below if you do. So let's dive in. So this month I have 2 pick and mix, and I'll explain why. So I ordered a pick and mix in the early of August, and I had an email saying some of my items I've ordered is out of stock, but they dispatched it anyway and then just sort of like changed the samples to whatever they wanted to, which I was fine with. And then got a dispatched email, and then 2 days later I had an email saying the whole order had been cancelled. This month, honestly, it's just gone crazy on the pick and mix. People have gone crazy. They have had some special items though, so yeah. And I was really upset about it, but I had the code sent back to me, a gift card, so I reused it. And I reused it for this one. And then, because I'm on a beauty group, I'll link the beauty groups maybe down below, but a lot of people were showing another one, so I cheekily made another account and got another pick and mix, because my first one I was a bit not really fussed about it. And there is a few samples that I'm a little bit sad about, but there is samples that I'm really happy about. So we'll dive in with the box first. Just put that on the floor. Today, by the way, I hope you're having a wonderful bank holiday. By the time you see this, it's bank holiday Monday. It's scorching, it's beautiful. Hence why I look like I'm in a Mexican cartel. I'm so hot, it's a joke. But it's like 27 degrees, so it's beautiful. So yeah, let's dive in. So this is the box one. I mean, try not to look at pick and mix videos. I don't normally get my pick and mix that late. They have a pink envelope in it, so I'll just show you this one because the other one will have the same in it. So we have a treat well, £10 off your first booking app, which is like for beauty treats and things like that, like salon appointments and stuff, which I might use. We have a £40 off HelloFresh, £10 off each of your first 4 boxes. I won't show you, I don't really use this. I have used it in the past and I love it, but I just don't really use it. So I may pass this code on. Actually, you know what, I'll give you the code and then the other one I'll give it to my friend. So that's the code there. HelloFresh is really good actually. I like how it comes to your door. And then we've got a free wash and wipes coupon inside. We've got the Body Form Pure Sensitive, and then you get 50p off their towels and liners, 0 allergens, fragrance dyes and soaps. So I will grab them because especially when it's this weather, you like to freshen up. So I'll grab them too. So that's everything in the envelope. Again, I'm not going to show you the other one because it'll be the same. Okay, let's dive in. I'm not going to lie, I have briefly looked at these because it was killing me with them sat on my coffee table for 2 days, and I was like, need to look. So this isn't a first reaction, but I had a brief look. So yeah, okay, so the items that have come in this one are, so if you're new to Feel Unique pick and mix, I should have said this to begin with, you pick 5 samples each month for £3.95 and they come to your door. So if you pick on the 12th, that's your pick date. So try and hold out for the best items. So I'll start with the items that one of them got replaced with another item, with the same item. It is the NARS blush in, I think it's Orgasm. Yeah, NARS blush in Orgasm. Now, when this was displayed on the website, it was actually a deluxe mini. This is why I got a little bit disappointed because I ordered the bronzer in the other one, in this one as well. but it's actually a card and the bronzer went out of stock. So I don't mind. I got 2 of these. Just a blusher on a card. It's 1 gram. I need to put this box down. Sorry, hang on. Let me take everything out. Oh, right, yeah. So it's 1 gram, and it's on a card. I mean, it's beautiful packaging. Yeah, you get quite a bit on there, to be honest. I've had card products before with the I've had a bronzer that was on a card, so I've got 2 of them, same shade. Hopefully it suits my skin tone. I didn't really know what to put in, as I said, because the first lot I ordered got cancelled. So this one was the one that I ordered before I knew all the other good stuff had come out. So I'm really happy with what I got. So we've got a Crabtree and Evelyn Rose scent. So it's a perfume, and they've really upped their game with their packaging. I think that's why they changed it. I've always loved Crabtree and Evelyn. I love their hand creams. They used to have a store where I live, but they don't anymore. But that's that. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. And the perfume's in the back. I'll open the perfume because I love rose, so I will use this. Okay. It's quite full actually. So that's what that looks like. It's a little, let me have a look. The heat's just making me really like confused today. I think it's like a 1.5 ml, but I'll just spray it. Oh, that's so nice. It's not a sweet rose. It's like a really, like you've walked past a load of rose bushes. It's that scent. That's gorgeous. I'm definitely going to use that. Although I am loving the Jo Malone Poppy and Barley that got sent in the mail. It's like a little sample. Love it. Okay. I got a hair treatment because noticed recently I'm due for a cut. My ends have got really dry. I'm not sure why, they just have. So I need a little bit of a trim. So I thought I could use this as well just to help them out a bit. So it's the Wella Nutria Enrich with Goji Berry Deep Conditioning Mask. Again, this wasn't advertised as a sachet, it was advertised as a tube, but 10 ml is really good. You leave it on for 5 minutes in the shower and then you wash it off. I love Wella products. Being a trained hairdresser, I know how good Wella is, and it's pretty full as well. And it feels thick and luxurious. I'm trying to be a little bit quick with these videos just because I've got another one to unbox on this same video. So I got this. It's This Works Perfect Leg Skin Miracle with Vitamin C Repair and Enhance, and it's a 10 ml. I'm not really sure what it is. It says massage into skin anytime, can be used over body products and all over the body. Okay, I love This Works. I love this. Oh, okay. So this is like a tinted, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a tinted, shimmery gel. It smells really aromatic. There's actually no colour to it really. It's more of like a tinted shiny gel. You can't really see it now I've rubbed it in. You might be able to. It's just something, it's a bit like the Charlotte Tilbury. No, it's a bit like the Vita Liberata body blur thing. So it's like shimmery. It's not like the Kim Kardashian foundation. It's not got any tint to it, but it's really pretty. So like for example today, if I was going anywhere, I might pop this on just to give my legs a bit of a shimmer. That's really pretty actually. I don't know if I'll use that. I might just use it on my décollage. I don't know. I'm not really, I want to tan, but I just never have a chance. And the last thing, I don't know what's wrong with me. Whenever I film, I always sound out of breath, but I'm not. The paula'schoice Skincare Clinical 1% Retinol Treatment. Reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is a trial size, 5 ml, and if you watch Nadine Baggett, you will know how much he raves about Paula's Choice. It's cruelty free. Yeah, it's cruelty free, and it is, oh my goodness, it's so cute, so cute. It's really nice. So it's the Paula Choice 1% retinol. I've been really into using retinols, not so much in the summer, but I might do more now it's getting into autumn. I say that, it's 27 degrees, but you know, in September, because it's really good for, you don't see an immediate result, but long term there is a result. I'll link Nadine Baggett's video down below on retinols, because I learned so much from her. Like, I watch her videos quite a lot, and it can be quite scary with like retinols and acids and AHAs, and it's a bit scary. So yeah, this is super cute, and it's a 5 ml, but it's probably got a lot in it. It's 1%, so it's pretty safe. And that's what that looks like. I'm so excited to try this because Paula's Choice can be expensive, and it's something I would never be able to afford. And if I bought it for like, I don't know how much it is, so I'll put it on the screen, I may not be able to like, may not like it, or, ooh, okay. It's yellow. It looks like medicine that I had when I was a child. So I'm just going to leave that on my skin, because it's good to test to see if you have a slight reaction. It's good to put it in your inner arm, so I'll just put a little bit there. But I don't think I will. Doesn't really smell of anything. It smells like the Clinique yellow lotion that they do. That's what it smells like. But that's really good to use at night time. And when you use retinol, you have to use sun cream the next day. Okay, so on our next one now. Again, I'm going to take the pink envelope out because it's the same as the other one. So, these items here, this is what made me want to get this. What else is in here? Okay, that's just my order thing. Okay, but I will show you what made me want to get it. So again, I ordered this. I didn't order this, and they replaced all my samples for this, which is fine because now I've got 3 of them. It's cool. Okay, so we got another bronzer, another blush. So hopefully this looks really good on my skin, because if not, then I can always give these to friends or whatever. We have, this is something that Miss Budget Beauty recommended, like she used, and I thought I'd want to give it a go, and I saw it on there and I thought, why not? It's a 1.5 ml. And it's the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. And Kiehl's is just amazing. It's got stuff like magnesium, castor oil, seed oils, avocado, citric acid. It's just really, really nice. So this is a small sample, but for eye cream you don't really need a lot, and I am getting dry under my eyes. So that's that. Yeah. Eye creams are really, really good. I really enjoy. I really need a nice one that's going to sit well under makeup and to use at night time. So hopefully that's nice and thick, and it will help with my small crevices. But yeah, the next item is the Rituals of, it's the Origins, no, it's Rituals, the Ritual of Sakura. And I've had this before, I've had the shower gel of this and I love it. It's probably my favourite scent, and it's the Organic Rice, Milk and Cherry Blossom. This is a 5 ml, great for travel, great to use when I want to treat myself. And it says, in Japan, the annual flowering of Sakura has been celebrated for centuries and symbolises beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. And I think that is their cherry blossom trees that they have, that they only have for like a couple of weeks and then they disappear, and it's beautiful. So yeah. And this is the item that was the shining glory of everything. This forgave the massive like trouble that I had with it, which to be honest isn't their fault. If they haven't got the items they can't post them out, which I completely get, and they did give me a refund. A little bit sad that they keep replacing my items, but what can you do? So this is what made me make a second account. and I blame the girls on the beauty groups. But yeah, somebody mentioned this was going to be a 1.5 ml, so a little sachet, well, like a little perfume bottle, but it was down as a 15 ml, which is hell of a good size, so that's like a deluxe mini. And I was a bit like, oh okay, I'm not too bothered, and it arrived and it's definitely a 15 ml. So I'm really happy. This is worth, I think, £8, but I'll put it on the screen. And it is the Philosophy Amazing Grace Magnolia. I love Philosophy, I love their Amazing Grace face wash. I just love their products, they're so nice. And it says, Philosophy, Grace will always guide you through your journey. And it is 15 ml. And I'm so pleased, so happy. Because that's a really big, that's like quite good. I'm really happy with that. So let's open it. I didn't smell this when I opened it. A lot of people said it's not really up their street, but then I quite like rose and lavender and perfumes like Baby Powder by the Library Fragrance, Yardley perfumes. I like old lady perfumes. So I might love this. Okay. Oh my goodness, it is so cute and beautiful. So that's that. It's about the size of my palm, to be honest. And let's have a sniff. So yeah, I'm going to spray it on me. I like that. It's sweet but musky, but not too musky, so I don't like musky perfumes. It's fresh. Dare I say, it's a pretty scent. Not that you would. I'll put the notes on the screen. I like that. It doesn't smell like a lasting perfume, but I like that. I really, really like that. So I'm really happy. How cute is that? So that, I'm not even going to try and hold up all of these samples, is my 2 Feel Unique pick and mixes. I can do 2 a month if that's what you're interested in. I won't do 2 separate videos because there's no point. But if you are interested in like me doing 2 a month, I can. And I'm really happy with my choice. Minus all the drama, minus them changing it, minus me getting 3 orgasm blushes, which isn't a bad thing really. You get samples like this. I've had 20ml samples of Burt's Bees products. I've had 50ml of products, and to me, they are not samples. So I'm really happy. I am going to keep doing it because a lot of people were angry on the beauty groups that they've had a bit of a wobble this month, and people were annoyed. But I'm going to keep doing this because I have been doing this for like 2-3 years now, and I don't normally have any drama. So hopefully next month, I love the smell of that actually. Hopefully next month will be better. And if you see any products that I should get, Instagram me. I'll put my handle somewhere on the screen. And give me a heads up likewise as well. So thanks very much for watching. I'll speak to you soon. Bye.